The white-naped crane, Grus vipio, is a large wading bird of the family Gruidae, order Gruiformes. It measures about 1.2–1.5 meters in length, with a bill 13–15 centimeters long, wings 51–57 centimeters, tail 18–20 centimeters, and body weight between 4.7 and 6.5 kilograms. Males and females look alike, though females are slightly larger. Its plumage is a mix of grey and white. The forehead, front of the crown, lores, sides of the head, and the bare skin around the eyes are bright red, sparsely covered with black, hair-like feathers. The ear coverts are smoky grey. A dark grey stripe runs from the back of the crown, across the nape and sides of the neck, down to the upper throat. The cheeks and throat are white. The sides of the lower neck, the lower throat, and the underparts are dark slate grey. The upper parts are slate grey, with the chest and foreneck also grey. The primary flight feathers are blackish-brown with white shafts, secondaries are blackish-brown with white bases, and tertials are pale grey-white, elongated into a curved shape. The upper wing coverts are grey-white, while the primary coverts are black with white tips. The lower back, rump, and upper tail coverts shade into dark slate grey. Tail feathers are dark grey with broad black bands near the tips. The iris is dark brown, the bill yellow-green, and the legs red. Juveniles have buff-colored plumage. This species mainly inhabits open plains with reed marshes, wet meadows, riverbanks, lake edges, nearby grasslands, farmland, and coastal bays. It is distributed across East Asia, including China, Russia, Mongolia, the Korean Peninsula, and Japan. The white-naped crane is a gregarious, diurnal migratory bird. It often moves about in small family groups or flocks, pairs up during the breeding season, and occasionally appears alone. During migration, it gathers in large flocks. It feeds by day and rests at night. Shy and alert, it frequently raises its head to scan its surroundings while foraging, and will quickly move away or take flight if disturbed. To take off, it runs a few steps before lifting into the air. Once airborne, it flies with neck and legs stretched forward and backward. It is omnivorous, feeding on plant seeds, roots, shoots, young leaves, grains, fish, frogs, lizards, tadpoles, shrimp, mollusks, and insects. Food is usually taken by pecking with the bill or by probing the soil for seeds and roots, often while walking. The species is monogamous, breeding between May and July. Males court females with loud calls and dance displays. If receptive, the female joins the male in duet calls and dancing, then squats with wings spread, allowing the male to mount for copulation. Nests are usually built in reed marshes or grassy wetlands, shallow and dish-shaped, constructed from dry reeds, sedges, rushes, and reed leaves. Strongly territorial, adults defend the nesting area with calls, circling flights, and chasing intruders. They breed once a year, typically laying 2 eggs per clutch. The eggs are oval, pale greyish-purple with dense purplish-brown spots. Incubation lasts about 1 month, shared by both parents. Chicks are precocial, able to stand and walk on the day of hatching. They reach sexual maturity at around 3–5 years, and in the wild can live 25–30 years. Globally, the population is estimated at only 5,000 to 10,000 individuals. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, lists the species as vulnerable.